The All Books page is the home for all the books you create in your account. You can create collections folders to easily organise all your books, and you can set this up in any way that you like, perhaps a folder per client or brand. Here I have a few folders set up already for each of my clients. To create a new folder, click on the New Collection link at the top of the list, give it a name and save it. And if you needed to make any changes, click on the edit icon to rename the folder. Click on Create New Book from the main books page, give it a title and choose the collection you want to add it to from the drop-down menu. Or, if you create a book from inside the collections folder, it'll automatically save it there for you. From here, you'll have the option of creating a blank book that you can format first, or just click straight on Create Book and add coverage if you're ready to upload some links or files. By default, we'll show the most recently updated books in your account first, but you can also sort by title and most recently created. You can import books into collections. Click into the collection and on the Import Book button. Find the book from the drop-down list and click on Add to Collection. And if you need to move a book to another folder, click into the collection and on the three dots of the book. You can now remove it from the folder or move it to another one. If you want to remove any books from your account, click on the three dots below the book and select the Archive option. If you've shared this book as an online link, it'll no longer be active. If you accidentally archive a book, get in touch with us at support@coveragebook.com and we'll help get that book back for you. To delete a collection, click on the three dots in the top right hand corner and hit the delete button. It'll just remove the folder from your account, so any books will still show in the All Books folder, so you can move those elsewhere or archive them if they're no longer needed.